In today's corporate environment, maintaining total control over your sensitive data is critical. Internal risks like unauthorized file transfers, accidental leaks, and unmonitored user actions put your organization at risk every day. Meet Cryptone Endpoint DLP, your comprehensive solution for total data loss prevention. Cryptone DLP delivers robust browser monitoring to oversee all web-based activities and prevent data exposure. It enforces strict upload restrictions to block and report unauthorized file sharing on unapproved websites, and automatically captures screenshots during suspicious activity. For communication channels, email protection monitors outgoing messages and restricts email access to authorized platforms like Outlook, and scans attachments for potential risks. Furthermore, download monitoring and file control track and restrict the download of specific file types, such as executables or compressed files, to block unapproved content. Beyond the web, device control and peripheral control manage and restrict access to external hardware like USB drives and printers, preventing unauthorized data copying. The system even monitors and restricts Bluetooth file transfer to block unauthorized wireless data exchange. Inside your infrastructure, Drive Monitoring continuously oversees all activities on local, external, and network drives, with comprehensive tracking of file movements and deletions. To secure your local assets, Folder Lock Protection offers customizable security options to lock and protect files and folders from unauthorized modification. Cryptone DLP also includes advanced data classification, automatically identifying and labeling files through content analysis and keywords for precise control, while allowing manual tagging to ensure total control. It scans for sensitive data such as credit card details and personal identifiers to ensure continuous protection. To prevent physical or visual data leaks, print screen blocking restricts the use of the print screen function entirely. Printer activity is fully monitored and logged to prevent unauthorized physical documentation, and watermark printing subtly embeds secure backgrounds into printed documents to protect against counterfeiting and unauthorized reproduction. Cryptone Endpoint DLP applies artificial intelligence and machine learning techniques to identify sensitive data, recognize suspicious behavior, and reduce false positives. Intelligent content detection identifies sensitive data across files, web, email, and clipboard with greater accuracy, finding risky data humans and rules miss. Behavioral anomaly analysis learns user patterns to flag unusual transfers and potential insider risk in real time, surfacing threats before data leaves. Adaptive threat recognition continuously refines detection as new patterns emerge, while context-aware analysis minimizes analyst fatigue by reducing false positives. Every action is backed by comprehensive activity logging, maintaining a detailed audit trail of website visits, form submissions, and policy violations for auditing. When unauthorized access is detected, interactive alerts send real-time warnings to users, enabling users to take immediate corrective action. Meanwhile, the screenshot facility and image capture automatically log visual evidence of policy-violating actions, providing visual evidence for streamlined compliance reporting. Protect your corporate intellectual property and ensure complete compliance. Secure your organization today with Cryptone Endpoint DLP. Visit cryptoneb.com to get started.